the table is like this. The table says for shift right, the MSB will be copied over to the MSB again, and the rest will be shifted to the right. So what does that mean here? Your MSB is 1. So you are going to take the value here 1, put back here, and then the rest will be shifted. The LSB here will be go to the X and C flag. Okay, the first shift. And then second time you shift again. You have to do the same one. The first here will be go here, shift again, copy to the MSB, and the rest will be shifted up. And the LSB here will be copied to X and C, and that is your final answer. This one you convert back to hexa will be F and C. Let's try from the code. You are going to shift it 3 times. Instead of 2, you put 3. And look at the result, whether you get same result or not. If you put 3, what do you expect from the result? From the result? Equivalent to? So you shift another time. This one we copy over 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And the 0 will be copied over to X and C. The final answer is F and D. E. Correct jawapan? Okay, once you understand 2 from the table, you can understand the whole table already. Very simple. You need to understand the concept. This table you understand, you totally can understand, no problem. I only need to teach you the right thing. Okay, this one okay? Other question? Any questions? From the table, senang? Okay, senang eh? So the numbers is asking you like that. Okay, next one. Next example. Okay, next one. You try. This is the one again, the numbers. Now you are doing the ASL.5. You get the same answer now, and try from the table on the paper. How do you shift to the left accordingly to the table? You get the same answer. Let's try this one. This is how many times you need to shift. Twice again. So try from the, you have to write down how you shift it. Then you can see whether you can get the same answer or the same zero. Else you cannot do it. So try on the paper how to shift to the left. Look at the table. Don't look at it. Look at the table. The table is the key. The table is the key. Arithmetic shift left. This is the key. So from the question, you have to shift like that. You get the same answer means that you understand from the table. I give you time to understand first. Validate it in your PC and then validate it on the paper. This is a LSB, shift to the other side. Gak ada alasan? Ada soalan? Di zero dikali? Okay, understand? You got it done? Okay, let's try to look at the result first. Again, the number is F0. Again, the number is F0. Let's try to look at it. F and 0. F is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 1. 0 is equivalent to 0, 0, 0, 0. So the question is, you have to shift twice again. The number is 2. Hash 2 means you have to shift twice, accordingly to this rule. Now, the rule says you have to put 0 at the back and shift the rest. Put 0 and shift the rest. So it will be like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, shift 0, 1, 1, 1. This one will go to the X and C. That's why you can see that your X and C now is equivalent to 1 from your results. You cannot, you just simply let's say that one. So this is the first shift, not yet finished. The question asks you to shift twice, right? Remember that? So shift another time, another thing. You have to shift again, so this is 0 again. And the rest you have to shift 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is going to be copied to X and C again. And this is your final answer, which is C and 0. Okay, let's try you put 3 times. Instead of 2, you shift it to 3 times from the number hash 2 to hash 3. So you can see that what's the result after this. So if you change from hash 2 to hash 3, the result will be what? The result will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is equivalent to 8 and 0. The result in the computer must have this result. Okay, understand? You have to understand this concept only. The concept is on the table. Is it you want to shift right or shift left? Okay, next one. This one is logical shift and logical shift right and left. You can see that this is the same one like common thing, very simple. You can see that shift is just shifting and copy over. So you can look at any questions. Now this is the command. The same one, then you are going to put logical shift right and logical shift left. Try this one. Try this one and then you can put either hash 2 or hash 3 to validate your answers. Doesn't matter. The PC will tell you the results. So this is the result here and this is the result here. You must get this one, correct or not, on the paper. So you have to shift twice. So put it on the paper, you have to write down. Because if you don't write down, you cannot understand the table. How to shift it. So I give you 3 to 5 minutes to complete this both two. Complete the logical shift. Left and right. Must get the answer correct. Look at the table and try to shift it by the table. Look at the table and shift it by the table. Shift it by the table. Look at the table. You have to compare the table. should understand the table. The table concept is very simple. Look at the table, get the result. Without I'm telling you the result, if you get the result, you have to understand the table. Where what? Table what? Huh? Table what table? Okey tak? Ini okey. Sama okey tak? Okey tak? Ini hantuk lagi. So if you want to confirm that it's copied over to X and C, you can see that how many times is it to shift. Okay, example here. Alright, you want to see, you always see this X and C is equal to 0, right? So let's check whether it's 1 or not. So let's try F, how many times you will shift. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So to shift this one up to X and C, so you have to shift to how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct or not? So 5 times then we copy over to X and C. So instead of 2, try 5. Instead of 2 shift only, you change it to 5. You must get the X and C is equivalent to 1. Because what happened? Okay, the first shift is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, X and C is equivalent to 0. Another shift, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, X and C is equivalent to 0. Another shift, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, X and C is equivalent to 0. And the last shift is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, X and C is still equivalent to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and your X and C now is equivalent to 1. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can see that your X and C now is copied over and this one. Instead of 2, you can change it to 5. You can see that the X and C is the status register. Remember that.
The fourth shift, the X should be 1 or 0.
The fourth one 0. This is the one going here. This is going here. This is going here. This is going here. This is going here. And this is going here. Right? Shifting. This is the original one, right? This first shift is going here. The original one is this one. So to make sure that you want to see whether it's shifted or not, and copy over to X and C, from this value you can shift 5 times and you can see that X and C is equivalent to 1. The result that I saw you just now over there, you can get the result right at the back. 5 means that it's copied over correctly. So, faham? So this one okay? Tak ada masalah? Same thing? Alright, this one should be okay. Means that if you understand the table is like this. Very simple. I give you the table, look at the table correctly. And how it shifts one by one. Accordingly to this arrow. Shouldn't be a problem. If you understand this, no problem. Okay, next one. Understand this one, right? So now go to rotate. Rotate. Okay, try this one. Rotate, divide 2 times D1. Put at the questions over there. And then try to rotate twice. Look back at the table and try to rotate the numbers accordingly. You must get the results like that. Okay, look, try to be 5 minutes. Write down and try to work on the paper. How to rotate accordingly to the table. The command D1 is given this one and rotate right. The second one is the same one and rotate left. How to rotate? Put the number set and then try to rotate. rotate is rotate. You try it 5 minutes. must rotate. Rotate means you are using back the value from the register. Dapat tak? Is it okay? Rotate, dapat? Rotate. So every time, this is the table that you need to refer on. Because you cannot remember all the tables. That's why if the question is I will read the table. Nobody remember the table. The table is also inside the book, no worries. Any questions on that? Rotate. Anybody yang tak faham? Tu faham? Kalau faham means you dah faham sebenarnya. Based on the table senang je sebenarnya. It's not that hard. Okay. This one I consider okay. Rotate left, rotate right senang eh. Now the last two. The last two is different. The last two say is rotate through X. What does it mean through X? X is what? Rotate through X. This is a bit tricky. So what is X? Rotate through X. X is from the last lecture, which is from the status register. X is extend. Remember that? Extend flag. So you have 5 flags. You have the X, you have N, you have Z, you have B, you have C. So I remember all this: C for carry, B for overflow, Z for 0, N for negative, and X for extend. X is actually copied over from C, but in this case, the rotation must go through X. So look at the table here. Look here, how it rotates.